right, so what is the role of exercise and rehabilitation, and what are some of the ways victims of accidents and stroke, for example, can do physical activity as part of their treatment? To help us answer some of these questions and to talk to us about the upcoming Sweat Fest, physical therapist Yael Jagbear and dance instructor at Sweat Energy Fitness Gauntlet Stewart, who's going to join us a little bit later on. Good morning, Yael. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. So give us an overview of the clinic and what happens there.
All right. So the Sir John Golding Rehabilitation Center is the only neurological facility in the English-speaking Caribbean. So we treat patients with spinal cord injury, stroke, or any injury caused by neurological deficits.
Okay.
So when the patients come in, we rehabilitate them so that they become functional in their new capacity.
All right. And so Sweatfest is going to be what? Raising money to assist?
To assist the physical therapy department with some little equipment that will be beneficial to our patients.
What are some of the things that you're hoping to?
So like pedal cycles, resistance bands, some exercise equipment for the pool, because we do hydrotherapy there also. So little items like that they'll be donating.
All right. So it's Sir John Golding. It's formerly the Mona Rehabilitation Center, by the way. So it's an annual event. It's a fitness party hosted by Sweet Energy Fitness. Sweet Sweat. It's the fourth staging. So he's going to come in. First of all, what's the importance of movement in physical therapy?
Well, physical therapy is based on exercise. We're exercise specialists. So what we do, exercise helps to rehabilitate the cardiovascular system, the muscular system, and it's a holistic holistic helping the patients with exercise, holistically.
All right, so here comes Gauntlet. Running Gauntlet. You're supposed to run in a gauntlet. All right, so it's July. It's going to be, let's support Mona Rehab. It is actually Thursday, July 11th, that's going to happen. So tell us what's going to happen at Sweatfest.
Well, what you can definitely look forward to on July 11th is a plethora, a lot amount of different genre of music. Where they'll be moving to dancehall, soca, Afrobeat, you name it, it will be there. You will have veterans.
Start so I reach in this yet.
Yeah,
so it's going to tell me what time it starts and what happens throughout the whole thing.
This year we're doing the glow edition. So once you reach on the ground, you will be glowing. Your sweat will be glowing. Everything that you'll be doing will be glowing. The stage will be glowing. So
What time?
Well, we start at 6 o'clock.
6 a.m.
Yeah, but you can get down from 5. So it's from 6 to 8. So you don't have to worry the fact that it is a Thursday that you won't get chance to go and get rest and get back to work on Friday.
Okay, so you just go back to work on Friday. So Gauntlet, after you finish with me, can go work Thursday?
Because what it does, you will definitely get to sleep good. You burn, sleep good, ready for Friday morning.
If me not turn up for work next week Thursday, I don't know what happens to me. So I'm seeing a lot of activities happening there.
Yeah.
I see the rope, I see people skipping, people doing all kind of different things, and that's what's going to be happening at the event?
Yeah, man, definitely.
All right, so for people who want to participate, what do they do?
Well, the event will be held at Jesse Paul Primary School, on the grounds of Jesse Paul Primary School. That's off South Camp Road.
Right.
So it's very easy to find. A lot of people know it as Duppy Corner.
Right.
So
because the Duppy Gate is near there.
All right. So it's very easy to find.
All right. So it's Sweatfest.
You can also check us out on Instagram, Sweet_Energy Fitness.
I'm tired of the proceeds will go to Sir John Golding Rehabilitation Center. How many patients do you see on average on a week?
On a week. So we have inpatients and we have outpatients. So we'll go to like 100, 150.
Right.
A week.
A week?
A week.
How many physical therapists are there?
We have 3 on staff, and then we have interns. So we have about 6 interns, and sometimes we have students to help out.
150 people? Yeah. Oh my God.
So the facility holds about 28 persons, and we see them every day, from Monday to Friday, plus seeing outpatients every day.
All right, is Gauntlet going to show us some of what he...
Yeah, man, I'm
well, me going to left him.
Come,
yeah, they go and work with him, man.
Nice to have you.
Good luck to the two now. Go on, Gauntlet, let me see what you're going to do now.
So you bring the legs on the inside, nice and easy. Touch it out. On my count, 5, 6, 7. Shift the body weight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pump, 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 pump. 8 more. Pump, 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 pump. 5, 6. We're going for a twist. Hey. 6, 5, 6, 7. In. 5, 6, step into the front. Step. So you get the heart pumping, and we're going.